क्लिनिकल फीचर ऑफ बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस में हमने बताया है, उसमें कुछ अटैच कर रहे हैं। क्रोनिक मेनिंगोसीमिया is a rare condition in which the patient can be unwell for weeks or even months with recurrent क्या होगा, फीवर मिलेगा, स्वेटिंग होगा, ज्वाइंट्स पेन एंड ट्रांसिएंट रैशेज. It usually occurs in the middle age and elderly, and in those who have previously had a splenectomy. In pneumococcal and Haemophilus infection, there may be an associated otitis media. Pneumococcal meningitis may be associated with pneumonia and occurs especially in older patients and as well as those without functioning spleens. Investigation of meningitis, investigation of bacterial meningitis topic रहेगा. Lumbar puncture is mandatory unless there are contraindicated. If the patient is drowsy and has focal neurological sign of sutures, is immunosuppressed, has undergone recent neurosurgery or has suffered with head injury, it is wise to obtain a CT to explore a mass lesions such as cerebral abscess. Before lumbar puncture, because of the risks of twining, this should not, however, delay treatment of a presumed meningitis. If lumbar puncture is deferred or omitted, it is essential to take blood cultures and to start empirical treatment. Lumbar puncture will help differentiate the causative organism. In bacterial meningitis, the CSF is cloudy माने turbid, due to the presence of many neutrophils. The protein content is significantly elevated and the glucose reduced. Gram film and culture may allow identification of the organism. Blood cultures may be positive. PSR, polymerase chain reaction techniques, can be used on both blood and CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, to identify bacterial DNA. These methods are useful in detecting meningococcal infection and in tapping the tapping the organism. Management. There is an untreated mortality rate of around 80%, so action must be swift. If bacterial meningitis is suspected, the patient should be given benzyl penicillin immediately intravenous is preferable, and promote hospital administration should be arranged. The only contraindication, a history of penicillin anaphylaxis. Recommended empirical therapy before the cause of meningitis is known is given, and the performed antibiotics when the organism is known after CSF examination is stipulated. Adjuvant corticosteroid therapy is useful. Dexona. Both children and adults in developed country where the including there are high rates of resistant, or in underdeveloped countries where there are high rate of untreated HIV is unclear. In meningococcal disease, mortality is doubtful if the patient presents with features of septicemia rather than meningitis. Includes like to require intensive care facilities and expansion include those with cardiac, respiratory or renal involvement and those with CNS. Depression producing the airway, early endotracheal intubation and mechanical ventilation protects the airway and may prevent the development of the acute respiratory distress syndrome. Adverse prognosis features include hypotensive shock, a rapidly developing rashes, a hemorrhagic diathesis, multi-system features, and age over 60 years. Prevention of meningococcal infection. Close contacts of patient with meningococcal infection should be given 2 days of oral rifampicin 15 milligram per kg body weight. In adults, a single dose of ciprofloxacin is an alternative. If not treated with ceftriaxone, the index R should be given similar treatment to clear infection from the nasopharynx before hospital discharge. Ceftriaxone 80 milligram per kg body weight should be continued for 12 hourly. Aminoglycosides amikacin sulfate 6 milligram per kg body weight 12 hourly और एम्पिसिलिन 100 से 400 milligram per kg body weight 8 hourly to continue और chlorphenicol should be continued. Vaccines are available for most meningococcal but not group which is among the most common serogroups isolated in many countries. अब इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग ट्यूबरकुलोसिस मेनिंजाइटिस के बारे में हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे कि ट्यूबरकुलोसिस मेनिंजाइटिस क्या है, इस पर थोड़ा सा हम लोग अध्ययन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास में ट्यूबरकुलोसिस मेनिंजाइटिस के बारे में हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.